I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question on binomial probability distribution. The question is, if the mean and variance of a binomial distribution are respectively 4 and 4 over 3, find the probability of success to be at least 1, right? That's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now let us see what is given to us. We are given mean, right? We are given mean, which is equals to 4, and we are also given the variance. Variance which is equals to 4 over 3. Now we need to find first the binomial distribution itself. That is to say, we have to find how many trials are there and what is the probability of success. Once we find that, then we need to calculate the probability of at least one success. This is at least one success. Is it okay? So that is the type of question we are working on. I hope this is clear to you, right? So we'll apply the formulas for mean and variance to calculate n and p in this particular case. So the mean, as you know, mu, could be written as n times p, which is equals to 4. And the variance, which is sigma squared, is the product of np and q, which is given to us as 4 over 3. So to find q, it is simple. We just divide one equation by the other, right? So it is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So what we can do is we can divide equation by 2 by 1, right? So once you do that, you get npq, right? Product of these divided by n and p, and you get npq is 4 over 3. Divide by this means times 1 over 4. Is it okay? So that is what it is. Now you can clearly see 4 and 4 cancels, n and p cancels. So you are left with q equals to 1 over 3. If q is 1 over 3, what is p? We know p plus q is always equal to 1. So p is 1 minus q, correct? So we can write p should be equals to 1 minus q, which is 1 minus 1 over 3. Is it okay? So 1 minus 1 over 3, which is 3 minus 1, or you can say 2 over 3. So we get the value of probability of success in this particular case, which is 2 over 3. Is it okay? So that is the value of p. Now once we know what p is, using equation 1, we can find the value of n. Let me write this as equation 3 for us. Okay. So what we will do now is we'll sub the value of p from equation 3 into equation 1 to find the value of n. Is it okay? So we have n times p equals to 4. N is equals to 4 divided by p. Now since p is equals to 2 over 3, we can write n is equals to 4 divided by 2 over 3, which is 4 times 3 divided by 2, that is 6. Right. So the number of trials in this particular case will be 6. So we know the binomial distribution can be defined as 6 Bernoulli trials with a success of 2 over 3 in each. So that is what we have. Now what we need to find is the probability that at least one is a success out of these 6 trials, right? So we need to find the probability that at least one success. That is what we need to find. So that is what it means when we say a probability for x to be greater than or equal to 1. Now at least one success also means that there is one failure, right? So we could do 1 minus probability for x equals to 0, right? So that is how you can find at least one success. Otherwise, in n trials, you have to add up the probabilities for 1 success, 2 success, 3, 4, and 5, 6 success, right? So this is faster. Is it okay? Now we know the formula for the probability of success, which we can always use. That is probability, this is lowercase, small, is ncx p to the power of x times q to the power of n minus x. Is that okay? So we'll use this formula here to find our answer. So which is equals to 1 minus n is 6 for us, 0, p to the power of 0, q to the power of 6, right? So which is 1 minus, this is 1, this is 1, q to the power of 6, q is how much? Q is 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 to the power of 6. So that is the answer for us. We can always use the calculator to evaluate. So we have 1 minus, within brackets, 1 divided by 3, bracket close, to the power of 6 equals to. So in decimals, we get something like 0.9986, 0.9986, right? So that is what we get approximately as the answer, right? So that's the answer for us. So we have answer as probability of success 0.9986, correct? So that is the way to solve such questions. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you, and all the best.